Welcome back to Tom and Sense, everyone. So in today's video, I am going to go over the work that I did on my 2007 BMW E90. And in this particular video, I'm going to be working on a few things that you guys will get to see. Stay tuned till the end because there's some exciting parts that I purchased that I'm actually going to be working on in the new year. So this is my last video for 2025. I want to thank everyone right now for liking, subscribing, and following the channel. I know it's been kind of all over the place, but these are the things that I'm really passionate about. So now the BMW is something that I am going to put out a little bit more content on because it's something that I enjoy. And I get to do this now. Normally I would never have a chance because now I actually have a place to go that has a cement floor and a heated place. Especially here in Peace River where I live, where it's like minus 20, minus 30. Impossible to do these things outside. So I get to do this now, so I'm recording it. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like this content, give me a follow, give me a like, and comment also, because I know that there's a lot of people working on their own vehicles, and sometimes you just don't record. If you guys want to see something specific with the E90, I know it's an older vehicle, but it's something that I'm enjoying doing, and I like working on my vehicle to make it my own, to make it what I need it to be, and I get to learn. So it's just an exciting time. It's an opportunity to get better. And again, thank you for watching this, and have a great 2026, and all the best. Happy New Year, everyone.
What's going on, everyone? So today we're on location and I'm going to try and fix my hood. So here's the issue I've been having. So let me take you around. So this is, once it focuses, part of the problem. When I received my vehicle, this is the only way I can open the hood with this vice grip. No side panel on there either. And in recent days, maybe due to age, wear, and tear, this has occurred. Me trying to close the hood. So here I go, try and close the hood. So we'll open it. Opens no problem. Mechanism's good. And we close, right? Except it doesn't. So, since we're here, I figure, why not change everything out and make it all brand new anyways. So, wish me luck. So, I did get a whole bunch of stuff on Amazon. Here is the cable. And did watch a whole bunch of YouTube videos, so I should be an expert. And we'll see how it goes. I foresee it going well. It should go well. But if I don't record the whole thing, I'm sure you guys get the picture. Also, scavenging through Facebook Marketplace to pick up the pieces like the handle and the inside trim once the handle and hood latch release is all put in correctly. So it's going to be a process, but let's dig in.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. it's mind over everything.
Figure since I'm here, I might as well try and fix the existing cables. And not only that, but these mechanisms, they have definitely seen better days. So least I could do is try and fix this with some brake cleaner, WD-40 and wire brushes. So I don't think it's been done in 20 years. Good news is that the mechanism actually does work, because when I go to close it just by hand, it snaps right into place. And so I think it's definitely that wire that needs replacing, because I originally thought that maybe these mechanisms, the springs on them, you know, after 20 years or so, kind of let go and aren't as strong, and maybe kind of thinking that would be the problem, but no, I don't think so. Things have escalated a little bit. Figured since I got the new cable, I'll switch it out anyways. And why not, right? And as you can see, I cleaned this part right here. Mechanism works perfectly. No issues whatsoever. And this one's nice and clean now. Back on the cable. Fished it through. But this is the other one. So I will put this, clean this right up, put it back together, and then we'll go from there. And I don't know about the inside. I guess I gotta wait for another cable. Wow. So a bit of an update. Got this thing back in, but the problem is this line here that goes inside the cab is the issue. It seems to be bound up on the inside, and I can't loosen it enough. There's not enough leverage, but I can close. It does work now on both sides. And when I close it, but unfortunately when I pull on the cord on the inside, it bounds it back up, and there's not enough slack on this for the hinge to close. So unfortunately, until I can get a new line for the inside of the cab, it's gonna be a whole lot of fiddling until then. But since I'm here and I got not much else to do, I figured I change out the old oil filter and oil. So it's what do you guys think? I think it was definitely due. This is the filter. So yeah, seen better days.
Welcome back. So it's been a few days in this video, and right now, as you can see, I'm going to take you around because I have fixed the hood release mechanism. So as you guys can see, the plastic piece is installed, and I had to go on Amazon and get a cable. Now the link is in the description below. So you can see here the mechanism is going to work, but that cable on Amazon said that it was not meant for my vehicle. Now I don't know how, or I don't know why, but it ended up working perfectly. And as you can see, I have no issues opening up my hood, closing my hood anymore. So thanks for watching that part. Now in the next video, at the end here, thanks for waiting to the end, I have some exciting news because there are some things that I'm looking to work on, as you guys can see right now. So this car needs a lot more love and needs a lot more care. And I've started recording the videos, but as for 2025, this is my last video, and I will be recording me installing these struts, the new updated sway bar, and some control arms because Helga needed some love, and this is what I'm really excited about. But that will happen in the new year in the summer. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. We'll see you on the next one.